Ever wondered how to make homemade pastry cream from scratch? It's a simple yet rewarding endeavor that requires just a few pantry staples: milk, sugar, egg yolks, cornstarch, and butter. The process is straightforward, and the results are absolutely delightful. In just a few simple steps, you can have your own homemade pastry cream. Start by combining sugar, egg yolks, and cornstarch in a bowl. This is the first step in our pastry cream journey. It's crucial to mix these ingredients thoroughly until they become a smooth, velvety paste. Patience is key here, as rushing might result in a grainy texture. Now let's move on to the next phase. Begin heating up the milk. But remember, it shouldn't boil. Just a gentle simmer is what we're aiming for. Once the milk is hot, it's ready for the next step. Now, you're going to slowly pour the hot milk into your egg mixture. This is vital to prevent the eggs from scrambling. You're aiming for a smooth, custard-like consistency. Once the milk and eggs are well combined, it's time to move over to the stove. Gently heat this mixture, stirring continuously. You'll notice it start to thicken into a velvety cream. Patience is key here. Don't rush this step. After it thickens, add butter and stir until it's fully melted. And there you have it, a luscious homemade pastry cream. Now, your homemade pastry cream is ready. Let it cool before using it to elevate your desserts. You can also store it in the fridge, and it'll stay fresh for a whole week. Remember to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one.